Once upon a time, in the heart of a lush, green forest, there was a small village called Serendipity. Surrounding the village were rolling hills, sparkling streams, and the most magical part of all, a fabled tree known as the milk fruit tree. This tree was no ordinary one. It bore fruit that tasted like the sweetest milk, and it was said to bless those who approached it with truthfulness and kindness. In this village lived a little girl named Lila. She was joyous and adventurous, always buzzing around like a cheerful bee. Yet, Lila had one tiny rebellious streak. She enjoyed playing harmless tricks on her friends and family. She believed her pranks were amusing and never meant to hurt anyone. Her grandmother's next words made her stop bouncing on her toes. Remember this, the tree favors the truthful heart. Only the honesty in your spirit can gratify you with its treasures. Lies, even the smallest ones, can cast a shadow on your love and bonds. Lila listened intently, yet she thought to herself how a tiny fib here and there couldn't possibly matter much. Nevertheless, she promised her grandmother to always tell the truth and cherish her family. Days turned into weeks, and the villagers celebrated their annual milk fruit festival. On this day, the villagers would gather around the milk fruit tree, singing songs and sharing stories. When it was Lila's turn to recount a tale, she mischievously concocted a story about seeing a giant bird taking flight with the grandest fruit of them all. The villagers chuckled at her tale but soon realized she was simply jesting. While her story was meant for laughs, Lila noticed the sky slowly changing. Dark clouds gathered mysteriously overhead. Everyone watched in awe and wondered what had happened to their warm, sunny festival. Although Lila shrugged it off at first, later that night, her heart felt heavy. She remembered her grandmother's words and realized the shadow loomed not only over the festival but also over her relationship with her cherished family. Feeling a pinch of regret, Lila decided to make amends. The next morning, Lila went straight to the milk fruit tree. The sun had barely risen, and the dewdrops still danced on the leaves. As birds resumed their morning chatter, Lila felt light and joyful. From that day on, Lila kept her promise to herself and her family. And under the magical canopy of the milk fruit tree, the village of Serendipity thrived with happiness. The legend of the milk fruit tree lived on, reminding everyone not to lie and cherish the precious bonds of family. And to this day, in the heart of the forest, the village of Serendipity continues to prosper. Embraced by the marvelous gifts of nature, friendship, and truth, the village remains a testament to the power of honesty and love, forever thriving under the watchful branches of the milk fruit tree.